Hello job seekers, welcome to the Pharma Awareness channel. Synokem Pharma is looking for quality assurance head. Synokem has ultra-modern manufacturing units located in DEVBHUMI, Haridwar. Synokem manufactures more than 1000 pharmaceutical formulations. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe Pharma Awareness channel with hit the bell icon to get more job notifications. Synokem provides attractive compensation, excellent potential for growth, a very stable and congenial working atmosphere to support the growth of its people. Job opening for quality assurance head based at Haridwar, SIDCUL for Plant 3. If you are excited to be part of the Synokem family, please interested and eligible candidates send their resume at career@synokempharma.com and jobs@synokempharma.com. So friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Feel free to share this job post with your friends. I will update more job posts shortly. Thank you and all the best for your interview.